greet you all, my colleagues. I'm Dr. Norbert Ndjeka, Chief Director, TB Control and Management, National TB Program of South Africa. It is exciting to hear that we're going to have a TB conference from the 13th to the 16th September 2022 at ICC in Durban. This is an opportunity for us to discuss our major challenges, but also an opportunity for us as TB program to tell our colleagues, to tell the nation what our challenges and what to expect from all of you. During the conference, we would like to share our TB recovery plan because we have to get TB back on track. COVID has caused problems to the program. We know that case notification has gone down and also linkage to care, retention in care. We have serious problems with that. Our program outcomes have really deteriorated. So it's an opportunity to share what our plans as TB program to recover from these losses. And we really want to make it very clear in terms of how are we going to be finding the missing TB people. I want to discuss how we're going to be linking them to care and retain them in care, but also ensure that we scale up TB prevention. That's very, very critical. Some of the things that we're going to be doing are, for example, talk about how we're going to implement a new 6-month regimen for all MDR TB or all drug-resistant tuberculosis patients in the country. That's very important, but also a pediatric 4-month regimen. We also want to hear from our scientists what is the latest in terms of evidence and what are the future options or treatment options that we need to consider. So this is exciting. That is why I'm looking forward to this. And I urge all people out there, all healthcare professionals, politicians, everyone to come to the conference if at all you can. Thank you.